action words. Eating. He is eating the dinner. Here, eating is action words. Eating. Running. Here, running is action verb. He is running. Running is action verb. Jumping. He is jumping. He is jumping. Here, jumping is action words. Jumping is action word. Hitting. He is hitting the ball. He is hitting the ball. Hitting here is action verbs. Yawning. Yawning. He is yawning. Yawning here is action verb. He is yawning. Action verb. Pilling. Blowing. The boy is blowing. Blowing here is action verb. Peeling. He's peeling. Peeling is an action verb here. Pushing. Pushing. He is pushing the bike. Pushing is a action verb. Kicking. He is kicking the ball. He is kicking the ball. Clapping. He is clapping. Clapping is an action verb here. Throwing. He is throwing the ball. Throwing is a action verb in this sentence.